Here is some multi-species fishing on the lower Wisconsin River with my dad and sister and her boyfriend on the Sunday of Memorial Day weekend. We only had a couple hours to get out fishing. We didn't get out in the water till like 4:30, but the fish were biting and we found some fish right away. So I have plenty of fish catches coming up in this video. And there was a couple, and I think another bass, smallmouth bass that I caught, and another walleye that we didn't have on video, and we were just casting various crankbaits and fishing worms on bottom most of the time, except the one walleye I caught on the jig and plastic. The water temp was 74 degrees, air temp was like 90 degrees, so it was really hot out, but the fish still cooperated.
Good net out for it.
Oh yeah. Not very big though.
Just a little baby.
Oh, what the hell?
You got it.
What is it?
The walleye?
I'm gonna hook myself here.
Can you hook yourself?
God no. Okay, let's see, what is it? Oh, a little walleye? Cool.
God.
You don't kiss them all? See if I can't get that one.
I have an addiction to cider, and he looks like, oh,
It's got vinegar. It's good for you.
stop it.
Oh, got one.
Uh-oh, the other pool's in my way.
I'll get it myself.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Just kidding, I got it.
they're not bad.
A nice bass.
Nice bass.
Not quite a legal one, but a nice one.
Nice bass, Liesel.
I should get my mask
Fishy.
out.
Oh, that was cold. It flashed me. What can I do with this?
You can use a secret blue bait.
Secret blue bait?
David had this bait they called secret orange baits, which
My box is not there, is it, Dad?
I'd like to see.
Am I blind?
Must be in your bag.
David had this bait they called secret orange
Is it
baits, which
underneath
was
the wheel there?
Oh, it's in my other bag.
no. David used to call the orange versions of these secret orange baits.
Right. Hey, I can see why you got rid of that Motorola phone. It doesn't work very well.
Water.
Why do I keep using the scissors? The scissors.
Oh, I got one. What is this? Meow.
You got another
A
fish?
catfish?
Meow.
Oh god.
You got a catfish?
A little tiny one.
Oh shit.
The baby's ready. The snowball fish.
Oh yeah, that's a monster there.
I wish we had a bucket to keep it alive in.
For a pet?
There's a stringer right there.
I have a stringer.
We don't need to keep it alive. Just put it back. How did that happen? I tied that one extra good. I haven't had any problems with mine.
Maybe this Cabela's line's really shitty. I never had an issue with it casting off spinners though. I just had a problem with it tangling up. This bait would catch bass in our pond though. Here, take it. Oh shoot. Something just hammered this rod.
Hammerhead shark.
See, the secret blue bait does work. Oh, this is a nice walleye. I bet you it's 17.
Got it.
Oh, that would be delicious dinner. That's more like 16.
Yep.
Oh, he swallowed it. poor little guy.
What'd you catch him on, huh?
This blue plastic thing. This thing, a blue swim bait. This is perfect size to eat though. Like this is the size of walleye you want to keep.
If it was legal, did you even measure it?
It's not even close to 18.
Well, you could have measured it. Samson or Delilah. And when Delilah cut Samson's hair off, he lost all of his strength.
I knew this was gonna happen on the 3-ounce sinker.
Wow.
At least
Something wrong with your floor back there, huh?
it's warping, I think. That one has a cut on its tail. Maybe they caught it during a survey. No, I think we need to keep this under a tarp during the week. That's the problem. Because this deck getting wet's going to wear it out in a couple years.
Why don't you get one of those old
Don't cast it right now. We're going to.
I was trolling faster than this.
Really?
For muskies, you're supposed to troll 3 to 4.
Especially all the tomatoes. Travis's sister.
Tiki bar's bumping. Is that Rose who's working it? That looks like a nice bass. I think that's a bass.
Hope you don't take me into those trees.
I have us in neutral. Well, you only have an ultralight too.
Stand up for this, Dad. Oh, he really stinks.
Thanks. Oops, whatever. We're out far enough.
Here.
Get. Oh, walleye. It's a nice walleye. I don't say I was fighting kind of like one.
Oh, God. Oh. Oh, no. Oh.
Liesl, good net job.
Hey, I got it in.
Yeah, good nut job.
I got it in, okay?
I did that to a lake trout and we lost it. Trout flip their heads a lot more than a
Hit it on the head.
walleye would though.
Yeah.
I'm a fish worker.
Good nut job.
That's a good movie. Have you seen it?
Nut job?
Yeah.
No, I haven't.
It's a cartoon. The little squirrel.
Oh, yeah, I think I've heard of that one.
It's actually really good.
Yeah.
It might be on Netflix.
I think just throw crankbaits and just drift around or troll. You'll probably catch
Think
walleyes.
it's long enough, Hans? No.
Measure it. Put it on the Copenhagen skull.
That means I have to touch it.
I don't think it's a keeper. I think it's probably 16 and a half, 17.
No.
Yeah, 16 and a half. I don't think we're gonna catch anything trolling at 4 miles an hour.
Oh, yeah?
You got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Here, I got it.
4 miles an hour.
Nailed it.
Was that a smallie or?
Waller. Another nice one.
That one's a little smaller, I think. Oh, shit. I got this.
Thanks, honey. We got quite a few walleyes today, but
They're all shorts. Probably if you trolled this whole line with crankbaits and just had them running real like 20 feet back, you'd probably pick up quite a few of them if you were just running shatter apps like 20 feet back.
The guy on our camera.
oh yeah.
And I was like,
Up there.
What a little walleye.
Tom's got a big one.
Oh my.
Big fish in the deep blue sea.
We've caught like 8 or 10 walleyes now.
Probably had a fish too.
You should throw, someone should get out and grab the
I don't think she did actually. It was Mark that was having the fit. He was pissed at Amos for being such a little shit and not getting punished for it.
Woo! I haven't heard much from Mark lately.
I talked to him the other night.